वेलकम मित्रांनो, तुमचे पुन्हा एकदा आपल्या स्टडी हेल्प या यूट्यूब चॅनेलवर स्वागत आहे. आज आपण सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी पार्ट 1 या विषयाच्या क्वेश्चन 1 चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन हा पाहणार आहोत. तत्पूर्वी तुम्ही जर यापूर्वीचे 2 व्हिडिओ जे पार्ट ए आणि पार्ट बी या स्वरूपात केले होते ते पाहिले नसतील तर ते पहा आणि आपल्या चॅनेलला सबस्क्राईब करा. चला तर हा आपण पार्ट सी सोडवायला सुरुवात करूया. सर्वप्रथम त्याच्यानंतर शाळेचं नाव लिहायचं, पुढील वर क्लिक करायचं. चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इन द मल्टिपल चॉइस आन्सर फॉर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, corrosion of silver causes a blank layer of dash dash. ऑप्शन आहेत सिल्वर नायट्रेट, सिल्वर ऑक्साइड, सिल्वर सल्फाइड, सिल्वर कार्बोनेट. and answer is silver sulfide. To prevent corrosion of iron and steel, dash dash method is used. Option is electroplating, anodization, tinning, galvanization. Answer is galvanization. In preparation of aqua regia, hydrochloric acid and dash dash acid are mixed. And option is sulfuric acid, nitric acid, carbonic acid, phosphoric acid. And answer is sulfuric acid. The sound of one metal colliding with another makes a noise. The property is called as dash dash. Answer is option is good conductors, ductility, sonority, malleability. And answer is sonority. Dash dash exists in a liquid state at room temperature. Option is chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine. Answer is bromine. Ionic compounds are electrically dash. Option is positively charged, negatively charged, neutral, conductor. And answer is neutral. Dash is good conductor of heat but bad conductor of electricity. Option is graphite, diamond, coal, iodine. Answer is diamond. Dash is the least reactive metal. Option is silver, sodium, zinc, gold. And answer is gold. Dash dash forms a green color in the water. Option is CuSO4, FeSO4, NaCl, all the above. Answer is FeSO4. Tin is an alloy of dash dash. Option is copper, tin, zinc, silver. Answer is copper. When one of the metal in an alloy is mercury, the alloy is called. Option is amalgam, sodium amalgam, zinc amalgam, all the above. And answer is amalgam. The minerals from which the metal can be separated economically are called dash dash. Option is minerals, ores, gangues, alloy. And answer is ores. Generally, the melting and boiling point of carbon compounds are found to be less than dash dash degree Celsius. Option is 300, 100, 200, 150. And answer is 300. Number of valency electron in a carbon atom is dash dash. Option is 4, 5, 1, 3. and answer is 4. The bond between two oxygen atom is dash dash bond. Option is double, triple, single, none of these. Answer is double. The molecule mass of a carbon compound is spread over a range of dash dash. Option is 10 raised to 12, 10 raised to 14, 10 raised to 10, 10 raised to 13. And answer is 10 raised to 12. The unsaturated hydrocarbons containing a carbon-carbon double bond are called dash dash. Option is alkane, alkane, alkyne, alcohol. And answer is alkanes. The unsaturated hydrocarbons whose structure contain a carbon-carbon triple bond are called alkanes, alkane, alkyne, alcohol. Option is alkenes, alkanes, alkyne, alcohol. And answer is alkynes. The phenomenon in which compound having different structural formula have the same molecular formula is called dash dash. Option is structural isomerism, catenation, homologous functional group. And answer is structural isomerism. From the following hydrocarbon, dash dash is the cyclic hydrocarbon. Option is isobutane, propane, benzene, isobutylene. And answer is benzene. While going in an increasing order of the length, there is a rise in the molecular mass of the members by dash dash. Option is 14 mu, 15 mu, 16 mu, 17 mu. And answer is 14 mu. The general molecular formula for the homologous series of alkenes is CnH2n, CnH2n plus 2, CnH2n minus 2, CnH2n minus 1. And answer is CnH2n minus 2. Dash dash is one of the combustible component of LPG. Dash dash is one of the combustible component of LPG. And option is methane, ethane, propane, butane. Answer is propane. At room temperature, ethanol is dash dash. Option is solid, gas, plasma, liquid. Answer is liquid. Generally, dash dash is called spirit. Option is methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol. Answer is ethanol. Due to dash dash, we can gather information about worldwide events sitting at home. Option is World Wide Web, Internet, artificial satellite, natural satellite. And answer is World Wide Web. The first person to step on the moon is dash dash. Option is Neil Armstrong, Rakesh Sharma, Kalpana Chawla, Sunita Williams. And answer is Neil Armstrong. The first artificial satellite dash dash was sent to space by Soviet Union in 1957. Option is Apollo, Chandrayaan, Sputnik, Luna 2? And answer is Sputnik. If a spacecraft is to be sent to travel to outer space, it must have minimum velocity of dash dash. Option is 11.2 km per second, 11.6 km per second, 13.2 km per second, 1.4 meter per second. And answer is 11.2 km per second. A group of students from COEP Pune sent a small satellite dash dash through ISRO in 2016. Option is Luna 6, Apollo 6, Swayam, Param. And answer is Swayam. The astronomical object closest to us is the option is Moon, Mars, Saturn, Mercury. And answer is Moon. ओके, सर्व प्रश्न सोडवून झालेले आहेत. आपण आता सबमिट करूया. गुणसंख्या पाहूया. 31 पैकी 31. मित्रांनो, इथं आपण जे प्रश्न चुकलेले, मित्रांनो या प्रश्नसंचाची लिंक या व्हिडिओच्या डिस्क्रिप्शनमध्ये दिलेली आहे. त्यावर क्लिक करून हा गुगल फॉर्म स्वरूपातील प्रश्नसंच कितीही वेळा सोडवा. जेवढ्या जास्त वेळा सोडवाल तेवढा चांगला सराव होईल. यापूर्वीचेही या संदर्भातील जे व्हिडिओ बनवले होते त्यांच्याही डिस्क्रिप्शनमध्ये तुम्हाला त्या सराव संचाच्या लिंक सापडतील. त्यावर क्लिक करून तेही सराव संच सोडवा आणि या विषयाचा अभ्यास करा. धन्यवाद.